So for me, this isn't bad, but I would change the flow a little bit here to make it so that where it reaches its maximum in terms of it tilting forward and tilting back arrives there faster. Meaning that the in-between, moving from forward to back, it really looks like there's a pelvic thrust. So that means that the transition from here to here, this curve should be more dynamic. It should be more aggressively going up or down so that it looks like there is more of an internal force at play. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this graph, this tangent, and I'm going to tilt it so that it goes down more aggressively so that it arrives here in these points more faster. And I could exaggerate that by elongating these tangents. So I'm going to break it because I want to affect this area but not here at the moment. So I'm going to break it, shift select middle mouse and drag so that it arrives here faster. Same thing here. I'm going to break, shift select middle mouse and drag so that it arrives here faster, and then it goes really fast and tilts back and arrives here, hovers around this area, and then tilts again. So let's see if that made a significant difference, and it looks like the character is tilting its pelvis with willpower. So it is a little bit more aggressively changing, but let's say I want it to be even more apparent that it is tilting. So that means that I have to make this graph more extreme, meaning this graph has to be angled more aggressively, like so. Yeah, see? Now it's really tilting. Now if you look at the controls here, and when it's rotated, when it rotates, you can tell when you play it, it really thrusts that hit. Boom, boom, boom. See? So that it does look alive, and it does look like it's trying to land on its feet relative to just going with the flow of air, of gravity. But I'm really trying to land on my feet. That's the difference. So the difference between an inanimate object like a bouncing ball and something that is alive, or animating an inanimate object like it is alive, this is the difference. Showing internal force with your graph editor, with your graph, to make it show that this is alive and this is trying and it is making a difference, and making that apparent for the viewers.